Hello dear friends, today I'm going to show you 2 natural remedies to improve sleep. These remedies have helped many people get deeper and longer sleep, and they may help you too. The first remedy is a herbal tea and the second one is almond milk. If you have a chronic condition or are taking medication, talk to your doctor before using these remedies. Let's start with the herbal tea. This tea is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. The tea is made from 4 herbs. The first herb is chamomile. Chamomile contains substances like apigenin, which connect to the brain's calming receptors. It reduces overactive brain activity, creates a natural relaxing feeling, and helps the mind feel calmer. It can reduce anxiety, slow a racing heart from stress, and is helpful for insomnia caused by worry or overthinking. It can help you fall asleep faster and increase the depth of sleep. Avoid chamomile if you are taking blood thinners, like warfarin or high-dose aspirin, and avoid it at least 2 weeks before surgery. The second herb is lavender. Lavender can reduce overactive brain activity and calm the nervous system. It provides deep mental relaxation, reduces tension, and is helpful for anxiety. It helps you fall asleep faster, quiets a busy mind, improves sleep quality, and reduces nighttime awakenings. Please pay attention. The amounts in the bowls are just for showing the ingredients. Only use the small amount I brew in the teapot. The third herb is lemon balm or melissa. It is a mild nervous system relaxant. It reduces stress and anxiety, helps you fall asleep more easily, and improves sleep quality, reducing nighttime awakenings. It's great for insomnia caused by overthinking or stress, and it creates natural, light sleep. It should be avoided in hypothyroidism. The fourth herb is seeds of lettuce. They have a sleep-inducing effect. They calm the nervous system, reduce restlessness, and help you fall asleep faster. They are helpful for insomnia caused by anxiety, tension, or stress, improve sleep quality, and reduce nighttime awakenings, producing natural sleep. Let's prepare the herbal tea. Add these herbs to your French press or teapot. 1 dessertspoon chamomile, 1 dessertspoon lemon balm, 1/2 dessertspoon lavender, and 1/2 dessertspoon seeds of lettuce. Now boil water. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over the herbs. And let it steep for 20 minutes. The tea is ready. You can add a little honey if you want. The best time to drink it is 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. The second remedy is almond milk. Boil 1 cup of water in a small pot. Add 15 raw almonds to it and cook until the skins are soft. Based on traditional medicine, almond milk reduces dryness of the brain, which is a cause of insomnia. It's great for insomnia caused by dryness, thinnness, weakness, or overthinking. Almond milk is rich in magnesium, which relaxes muscles and nerves. It also contains tryptophan, which helps produce melatonin, the sleep hormone, and helps to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. All of these prepare the body for deep and calm sleep. While these almonds are being prepared, I'll share some tips for better sleep with you. Avoid coffee and dark chocolate in the evening. Don't eat heavy or fatty meals at night. Low magnesium, potassium, tryptophan, or vitamin B can cause nervous insomnia. So using the right supplement under a doctor's guidance can be very helpful. Lack of daily movement can cause insomnia. Add light exercise like walking or stretching to your daily routine. Avoid too much mental activity before bed. Bright lights or blue light at night reduce melatonin and disturb sleep. The almonds are ready, so let's taking them out of the pot. Peel the almonds and put them in a blender. Add 2 cups of cool water and blend until smooth. You can add some honey to it. Drink 1 cup 1 to 2 hours before bed, and keep the other cup in the fridge for the next night. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.